All right, so I'm removing the main uh, plug wire harness on the firewall. If I'm coming up with the words properly, but it's all the fuse box and everything. So there are two screws, one on the upper right and then one on the lower left, and like that. So I got one out already. Second one pulling out. Those two there, and that should release that harness from the firewall. That presto. And I got some other wires here that I need to disconnect. There's the e-brake. No, it's the e-brake switch. That's something hooked up. Hang on. All right. I'm going to end this video here. So the e-brake, the only wire left on here is the e-brake light. The nut to take it off is on the opposite side of the emergency brake frame. So I've loosened it a little bit. So I've got to do another video in removing this emergency brake. So I'll recap on removing the wire harness later.